How to add an inspection in JRS. Navigating to the equipment list page in JRS, you will see a grid displaying all of the equipment associated with the selected location. Identify the piece of equipment that you wish to inspect. In the corresponding row, click on Start Inspection to begin. Once the Edit Inspection page opens, additional navigation tabs will appear at the top of the page. These tabs provide access to violations. You can view current or historical violations associated with the piece of equipment. Previous inspections. This reviews past inspection reports and the option to run reports for more detail. And inspection history. You can see the full historical record of inspections for the selected equipment. You can use these tabs to gather any necessary background information before completing your inspection. Whenever you're ready to enter the current inspection, you would just return to the Edit Inspection tab. At the top of the Edit Inspection page, you can review the equipment details. Note that this information should not need editing once it's entered into the system. Scroll down to find the CED and Inspection Activities section. Review the details provided in this section as part of your inspection context. Continue scrolling to find the Inspection Information section. This is where you will enter the inspection information. In this section, you can confirm which inspection type is due next. You can also use the drop-down menus and input fields to record inspection data. All fields marked with an asterisk must be completed in order to submit the inspection. There also may be some extra fields located on your inspection information. Answer any of those jurisdiction-specific user-defined questions if they are present on your screen, and add any required comments related to the inspection. After completing the inspection, scroll to the bottom right corner of the page. You'll have the option to save the inspection or any changes made on this page, save and add a violation, or save and return to the equipment list. Select Save and Return to Equipment List if you plan to inspect additional equipment. The equipment list acts as your home base during the inspection process. We'll be navigated back to the equipment list where we can see the piece of equipment we just inspected, and the status is now changed to Edit Inspection. Let's perform another inspection on a different piece of equipment at this location. Some important things to note about the equipment list grid is you can use the icons to filter the information in each column. Use the filter field to narrow the results shown in the grid on your equipment list. This is especially helpful when inspecting multiple pieces of equipment in a large list located at a location. After refining your view, locate the next piece of equipment to inspect and click Start Inspection. As before, use the tabs Violations, Previous Inspections, and Inspection History to review any background data for this piece of equipment. Review the equipment details at the top of the page, making sure that everything is filled in, and scroll to the Inspection Information section at the bottom of the page. Complete the inspection by recording your findings, answering any required questions, and adding relevant comments. A tip: when entering the number of PRDs, the system will automatically calculate and autofill the total PRD capacity based on your entries. This is especially helpful when the equipment has multiple PRDs. Just input your findings and JRS will handle the math for you. Once complete, scroll to the bottom right corner of the page and click Save and Return to Equipment List to continue inspecting additional equipment or submit your inspections. Once you've completed and saved the inspections for all of the required equipment, you can click the green Submit Inspection button in the bottom right corner of your screen. A green toast message will appear at the top of the screen confirming that your inspections have been successfully submitted.